reason why many people fail, I would say 99% of people fail and never make $1 in commission online in their life, is because they don't have the right fundamental strategy, which is exactly this. You see, if you know about anything about ClickBank, affiliate marketing, CPA, casino, whatever, affiliate marketing, you know that when you buy $3,000, $4,000 course, yes, you mostly get outdated version that used to work few weeks, a month, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, and now it doesn't work so well. Why? Because the audience, the people become aware. The name of the game is aware. You see, you have to understand there are different awareness levels of audiences. What do I mean by that? You see, some people are problem aware. Let's say if you have a cancer, you have a diabetes, you are aware of your disease here. You know you have a disease, you have a problem. You have to measure your blood sugar, right? You will know certain words, certain images you see on Facebook. You will know this is connected to your disease, to your problem, to your pain. But if you don't have that, you're not aware, right? You don't care because you don't know. So once you are an affiliate, once you're promoting weight loss supplements, dating products, casino, whatever, solar panel, right? You have to understand who is your audience on a deeper psychological level, okay? That's why you have one person who will set up Facebook ad and say, oh, I lost money, Facebook ads is a scam, it doesn't work. And you're gonna have another guy who spent $10,000 and make $100,000 back in a day or a week. And what is the difference? The difference is that they applied the different psychological frameworks. My friend, as you watch this video, females and males use different language patterns, okay? For example, if you're promoting products for dating to male, it's about ego, status, right? For female, it's different. It's about safety and security. So language patterns need to be different. You cannot have the same ClickFunnels website or landing page or pre-sale page and expect same results. Of course, it will not work out, okay? It's about psychological levels of marketing. It's not just about, oh, I will set up the Facebook ad and now I'm gonna make a lot of money. No, it doesn't work this way. You have to understand psychology of people. Because at the end of the day, we are promoting products, right? To human beings, not AI, ChatGPT, robots, right? Human being, just like me and you in this video. So, my friend, as you watch this video, you have to understand. You don't have to learn this on years and weeks of training, but you need to have someone who is going to help you one-on-one, step-by-step, hand-holding you along the way and show you the way in 2025. So you can finally claim the freedom you deserve. And if you're someone who is serious about it, and if you want to become professional, if you want to spend 30 minutes to 1 hour per day doing this and make $500 to $1,000 per day or more with affiliate marketing, is probably doable for you. Okay? As long as you have some money to invest in yourself to make it happen, yes, you can do it. Okay? Because there are people just like you and me making thousands of dollars per week and per month with ClickBank affiliate marketing. What is the secret? There is no secret. The main thing is having someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, hand-holding you along the way and showing you exactly what campaigns are proven to work in 2025. Now, as you watch this video, I can tell you there are three things. One thing is proven hot offer. What do I mean by that? The product that has enough upsell take rate. Meaning, let's say someone is going to buy an ebook for 30 to 47 US dollars. Okay, they buy an ebook, and in the same minute they get the email with the upsell for, I don't know, 150 US dollars weight loss supplement. Now they have three choices. You can buy one bottle for $69, or you can buy 3 bottles for $180. Okay, of course the middle option is better, and you as an affiliate, my friend, you are going to get a higher commission, up to 90% affiliate commission, revenue share or CPA as an affiliate, without showing your face. Okay, no one ever know who you are, where you live, only one website, one blog page with your affiliate link. That's it. That's how it works in 2025. Okay, because you have problem aware people and totally unaware people. Okay, so you have to convey your message in the right manner to connect with the buyer. So you need to have the right message, the market match. All right? You can give me, you can give 10,000 euros to a Muslim to eat pork steak, and they will not do it. Why? Because it's the wrong audience, it's the wrong message. The same thing apply to affiliate marketing, right? We are just messenger. We are promoting other people's product. We are not creating products. Someone else created a product. We are the middleman between, and we are the one who makes sure that the marketing is there on spot. Okay? To the deeper emotional pain of the audience. That's the most important thing. That's how you win. So as you watch this video, if you want to know exactly how to put this into action right now, 15 minutes from now, 30 minutes from now, you can do this in 2025. All you have to do is connect with me one-on-one. There's my Instagram, my WhatsApp number. Yes, my phone, my personal phone number. Who else does that? I mean, ask yourself, Tai Lopez, anyone else is going to give you their phone number to call them? No way, right? Most likely you're gonna get some chat bots answering you. So if you're serious, and I know you are, and if you're smart, and I know you are, because you're still watching this video, let's connect only if you're serious, and let's make it happen in 2025 so you can have these results, so you can make it happen. Maybe for yourself, maybe for your family, maybe for your spouse, I don't know, maybe for your parents. But deep down, you know and I know we can make it happen together in 2025. Let's connect. There's my Facebook Messenger, my Instagram, my WhatsApp number, my email. You can connect with me, but only if you're serious and if you really want to make it happen.